Yeah, chopper season. You hear me?
Straight up.
Shit, on and off season. You hear me? Don't get it twisted.
At all.
You
At
hear
all.
me? Yeah, what they say, ride shotgun.
With the shotgun. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Straight
Michael
up.
say that shit now. Y'all hear me? At first, Michael say that ride shotgun with a
Mm-hmm.
shotgun. Yeah, he got him a shotty now. Bars.
Hey,
No cow.
I got
That
another one.
damn day.
I got another one. I just ain't showed nobody yet.
Yeah,
It's
I
coming.
feel yeah. You
It's
told me you
coming.
got
Don't
another
worry about it.
team
It's
like
coming. It's
okay,
coming.
bar. I feel you. I feel you. I gotta
It's
get
coming.
say we in the networking.
I've been chilling, man. I ain't been buying no more guns, but it's about to
Tricking
come.
them out, tricking them
Yeah,
out. I already know.
yeah. Hey,
Upgrades,
I'm
upgrades.
I'm chilling for a little while, but it's about to come. Believe that.
Oh, I already know. You hear me? Shit. I
Believe
already
that.
know play shit. Something gonna have to give. You hear me?
Mm-hmm.
No cow. When it comes, you
Yeah.
be like, ooh, that's how they gonna say,
Mm-hmm.
ooh, bars. That's how we do. You hear me? We might not be in you hear me? We ain't doing shit for other people. We doing shit we like. See, that what they ain't understanding on this bitch. You hear me? Yeah, we rocking the show. You hear me? Bars. This is our shit. That's what they ain't understanding, man. We be our own cloud.
For sure.
Yeah, we let y'all have y'all moment. You hear me? Cause Mike already know when we get fired up.
Man, listen, bro. Yeah.
Boy, say don't get us started. You hear me? We gotta space it out because we don't want to, they get mad and like, damn, what they got going on. You hear me? But yeah, we'll space it out, you hear me? Every 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Damn, what's going on over there? Yeah,
Then they were
don't get
saying
it twisted.
they was telling me you ain't even going to the range. I'm going when I start going to the range. Nobody won't say nothing. You know what I'm
You
saying? I
hear
start
me? You hear me?
me and
They
my
were
boy start going
jealous,
to the range.
jealous.
Won't
You
nobody
hear
saying
me?
nothing. You know what I'm saying?
Jealous.
So what
You
is
hear
it?
me? Oh, you buying all the gun, but you ain't going to gun range and stuff. It don't matter. I got it though. You hear me?
Yeah.
Believe that.
And then when I
Believe
start going to
that.
the range, nobody was saying
I'm
nothing.
safe.
Man,
You
listen,
know it.
bro.
Yeah. Oh, you gun tubers. That's what you call it. You gun tubers. You just buying guns and not going to the gun range. I bet you won't fuck with me.
Mm-hmm.
You hear me? Stop playing, crazy asses. You hear me? This is my show. I go when I want to go. It ain't about want to be seen on what I'm doing. You hear me? Come on now. Be your own clout, man. No
For
cap.
sure. Huh? All right.
Chopper season in this bull, y'all. Y'all better stay tuned, man. Say he got that merch coming too, y'all.
Yeah.
Yeah. Stay tuned.
I
Ooh.
got them chopper seeds, the AK mags. I got them. They already here.
You hear it? Say we ain't playing with y'all. I told you we networking, baby. You hear me? Talk about it. Let it be seen. You hear me? Let me get a whiff of. We gonna push you. Bars. Bar. You hear me?
You said what's a range? I'm talking about the gun range.
Yeah. Say y'all, we the best. No cap. You hear me? Yeah. Say 12
I,
gauge shot it. You
yeah.
hear me? Going down. Firearm. 12 gauge. You can shit. Yeah, it's a firearm, man. It's shit. That's a
Who
12 gauge shit.
who cowboy
Slug.
who cowboys play tomorrow?
I think the Card. Do we play the Cardinals? I think we play the Cardinals.
We got Kansas City.
Yeah, Cardinals. Monday night.
Oh, y'all play Monday. Okay.
Yeah, it's a Monday night. I'm off anyway. Bars.
Never saying one.
Hey, on my day. What? I can't complain. Bars. Yeah. So you hear me? We gonna pop out. Bars. Playing no game. You hear me? Oh, it's going down. I'm gonna talk that shit. Where you Cardinals at? Y'all better get ready. I'm gonna talk that shit. If I find anyone y'all come on my shit, I'm gonna hashtag your ass. So come on. Come on over here. I'm ready. Believe me, I'm gonna talk that shit. Though I ain't gonna lie to you. And hey, I'm still gonna pop up the next day, still represent. You hear me? Hey, on and off season, baby. I stay with it. You
Yeah.
hear me? Catch any one of my live, baby. We stay with the Cowboys.
One thing I can say about you: win, lose or draw, you gonna rep them Cowboys, bro.
Bro, come
That's
on,
what
man.
it. That's what it's
I
about,
want to
bro.
tell y'all to not be a bandwagon